We've gone fishing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Mahal. Oh. May nahuli na ba? Joel, may nahuli na ba? Ah, bilis-bilisan nang makakain na. Gutom labas natin dito.
Yes! Yes!
Yay! Yay!
Ang bilis naman.
Ah, sasay! Nako, Inday ah. Nahirap ka pala ulihin ah.
Tuktukin mo pare.
Ouch! I hurt my fingers.
Mahal ni Riz. Mahal ni Riz. Boys.
Mahal, handa mo, mahal ha. Handa mo.
Oy, Tems, Tems, Tems.
Ay, nakawala.
Ni Riz, memory full ka na. Delete muna. Mahal. Ano mahal? May nahuli na? Ay, gutom pala tayo nito eh.
Kanino yun?
Sa mga check ko.
Kailan na kayo na rin? Kailan na kayo na?
Tatlo. Ah, pwede na yan. Oo.
Guys, if you can keep the nets out of the water, please. That's why there's no fish around here, and it stirs it up. Yeah, but I mean, it's fishing, you're not meant to be doing it with a net.
But there's no fish in the told you not to do that.
Angelo, have you caught a fish yet? No? Ang dami nga yun. Ma, Inday. O sige si Inday.
Inday, enjoy si Inday.
Sama si Sir eh. Day out nila ni Sir. Oh, that's a fish. Ha? Hanggang mamaya pa, alas 8.
Ibang mo lang yung anak para when you,
Ate Ems, ready yung net. Andyan na sila. Matumal ba? Matumal? Seryoso si Mahal ah.
Andre, dito ka lang natatakot. Wait, where's Harry?
Of course, if you're Andre, it's close, yeah.
Busog yata ito. Ay, kumain na yan!
Kumain.
Si Koy talaga kahit kailan.